Hello everyone, I just made this water shader in Godot Engine. Let me show you some of its features. You can see the water has a gradient from greenish to bluish colors. It also has a refraction effect for underwater geometry. It has nice waves and it also has a foam. As a bonus, it also has an underwater effect. Now let me show you how the shader looks like with different parameters. If we click on the ocean and we go to its shader parameters, we have all these variables that we can tweak. To smoothen the normals, you can increase this value like this. For the height, you can increase this value, increase the ocean height. The white things you see here are foam. You can decrease it to 0 and it will make it a totally flat ocean or water, similar to how you see in swimming pools. If you increase this value, it will become more like an aggressive kind of, and to decrease it, will make it more smooth waters, like those you see in lakes. You can also change the speed. You can change the iterations as well to make it more smooth or more detailed. You can also change the colors, and these have the best effect on the ocean. To make it look more like a tropical water, you can increase this value. You can change the value for your different game themes. And finally, we can change these values to influence how the depth fade starts and ends. For example, it looks pretty good this way, but if you do this, it looks like a more or less standard water. Similarly, you can modify the refraction strength. Tell me what you think about the water. Now, I have posted the complete tutorial and breakdown on my website, gameidea.org. If you click at this post, you can get the whole source code as well as the breakdown of this shader. I've started with a simple grayscale, and then I've added the colors to the grayscale. This is one of the presets, the configuration of various parameters for this ocean. And this is finally the underwater shader. Tell me what you think about the ocean, and if you like the work, you can subscribe my channel for more content.